Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we have brought to you a wonderful Chinese recipe called Dry Chilli Chicken.
This recipe was taught to me by our friend who works in a Chinese restaurant. So watch the recipe to the end and enjoy.
The message from our team today is that live a humble life, as a humble person can contribute more to a society. So let's start our recipe now by adding 500 grams of strips, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and mix. Please mix and marinate for 1 hour. After that, we will fry our chicken strips at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Please stir while frying. After frying, please drain the strips into a plate. Next, we will add 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, and fry. Now we will add 8 to 10 green chilies and fry for a minute. Please add the fried strips and julienne cut ginger slices into the pan. Please cook for a minute. At this stage, we will add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic and chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey, 4 tablespoons of water. Please stir and mix for a minute. Now switch the heat to low settings and place the lid for 5 minutes. At the end, we will garnish with green chilies, thin ginger slices, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Please mix and stir for a minute. After that, you can add green onions if you would like. As you can see, our dried chili chicken has come out very nice and can be served with egg fried rice. Please do try this recipe at home and give me your feedback in the comment section. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. And thanks for visiting our channel.